Okay, I want to just do a real quick review on these lock grips. I ordered them about a week ago, just got them, and I'm replacing these, or I already replaced these. It literally took 5 minutes to remove the screws and install the ones they have. So I carry it to 4 o'clock, and I'll unload this right here so everybody's completely aware that we have an empty weapon. And I get my head off to the one side, but if you look down the side picture there, you can see I've got the green dots and the green grips kind of accent that a little bit. Looks kind of cool. But what I really like about this is, look at that. There's the profile of the lock grips, and here's the profile. Oops, we're backwards again. Yes, I can't get this straight for anyway. And there's the profile of the other grips, and you can see that the other ones, I'll put them down about the same height or a lot thicker. This really makes the gun thinner, and it fits for concealed carry so much better. And they're custom made, and it can actually end up putting your own logo or whatever you want in there, but these are milled. Anyway, very good grip. I can grip all the way around like that. Anyway, so quite happy with these. Can't wait to go out and shoot it and see what the deal is. Bang, bang, bang. Anyway, that's my quick review on the lock grips. So I hope this does you some good.